So you're thinking about moving to Cedar Park, Texas? Well, stick around because we are going to explore Cedar Park, Texas for you today. Actually, we're going to start at one of the more popular places called the HEB Center at Cedar Park. This venue was built in 2009 for multi-purpose. It holds concerts, it holds sporting events. It's actually home of the Texas Stars, which is a hockey team here in Austin, and also the Austin Spurs, which is the minor league team of the San Antonio Spurs, the basketball team. They both are home here and they play here throughout the year. It also holds major concerts. It seats up to 9,000 people. It's a big venue, certainly one of the biggest in Central Texas. So this is where we're going to start our adventure. So stick around because we're going to go to 4 different neighborhoods, 4 different price points to kind of show you the real estate market in Cedar Park currently and find something that may be fit into your budget. So stick around to the end, and we are going to share with you also the most popular new venue for families and visitors alike to come to Cedar Park. So we're getting after it right now. Hey guys, good morning again, and we are starting at our first property in a subdivision called Shenandoah. Now, Shenandoah is on the southern edge of Cedar Park, right at 620. The other side of 620 really is Austin. And so this area was developed in the early to mid 80s with a little bit older home. And back in those days, Shenandoah, this subdivision, was out in the country, literally out in the country. And Cedar Park has sort of grown up around it. Because you've got Lakeline Mall, a huge mall over here, about a half mile, maybe a mile away. You could literally ride your bike to it. 620, up and down 620 is all sorts of retail and great restaurants. So this area is perfect for somebody wanting to move into north part of Austin, but south of Leander and Liberty Hill. Your location is perfect. You're right off of 620 and 183, right by the toll. You can get up to Dell Computers in 20 minutes. Lots of major employers up and down 183. The Domain's probably 15-minute drive from here. So all your best shopping is going to be right in this market. This property is priced at $365,000. It's 1,400 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, big lot, almost a third of an acre lot. So you get a little more land over here because it was developed years ago where you got a little bit more property. Also, the tax rate's only 1.85%, which is very low. Matter of fact, it's the lowest tax rate I've ever seen, including properties I've owned over the years. So if you want low taxes, great location, great starter home for either a young couple maybe, or investors. You want to come in here and invest in this property. This area, like a lot of properties built in the 80s, is being regentrified. So you're going to see values going up, mainly because of location and just what you're going to get for your money. So again, you're in the market for something in the 350s, maybe to 400,000. Talk to me about this area. Hey guys, at our next property, we're in a subdivision called Whitestone Oaks, which was developed in the last 10 years. This property was built in 2013. It's currently on the market for $650,000, but for that you get 2,900 square feet, a large home, 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, all down, 3 full baths. The advantage here, it's very, very close to the high school. Leander High School is not very far from here. We're off of 1431 and Anderson Mill Road, which is kind of the north section of Cedar Park, almost all the way to Leander. So you're on the north side. The advantage of that, you're going to have plenty of shopping right down 1431, about 3 to 4 miles, which turns into Whitestone Boulevard. Actually, we call it the old 1431. On the other side, you're going to be down to Lago Vista, so you can get to the lake areas very fast too. So this is a great location for a family, very family oriented. These are fairly new homes. A lot of young couples have moved here in the last few years. So if the 650 range is your price point, and you want to be in a Cedar Park very conveniently located, this may be your place. Give me a call. We'll talk about some more.
All right, y'all. So here is a map, or actually today, the surrounding area of Austin that we are going to. We're sticking north right now, so let's see where we're going. If you see this is Leander on the map, we don't quite see it. We're not going to Leander quite yet. We are actually going to Cedar Park. So if you've ever heard anything about Cedar Park, right here is off of Old 183. This is known as Old 183. This right here, 183A, is actually a toll road. So the toll goes up through Cedar Park, and it goes, as you can see, 183 and 183A, they combine about right here. And then they cross over 45, which this is another toll road. And it goes all the way down, straight through, and then it, brings you down here into Austin. So one great thing about Cedar Park is the metro. Okay, well, there's the Leander station, so that's good. At least we can find that on the map. So what you're going to notice is the metro actually goes here too. Yeah, there's a lakeline spot. So the metro goes from Leander. This is kind of where it ends, and it goes down here to around the lakeline area through Cedar Park, and then over here and here, and it goes straight into Austin. This is really awesome because there's really not anywhere else that you can live north of Austin. Like, you can't live in Round Rock or Pflugerville or even Hutto or any of these areas over here and be too close to the metro, but here and here you can. So those are great things. As you can also see, there is a Costco right here, which is a little bit between Cedar Park and Leander, so that's not too bad. And then right over here, they're actually building a massive children's hospital. It's projected to be completed, I believe, by the end of this year. So that's pretty cool. That's going to bring even more businesses actually to this area. And then, like I said, we have the Lakeline Mall right over here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so we can kind of see some of these things on the map better. But yeah, here's Lakeline Mall. The things that I love about Lakeline Mall is it's farmers market, actually. So it has one of the best farmers market in the area, if not the best. Definitely, if I want to go get some really good produce, really quality food, I'm gonna go to that Lakeline Mall farmers market. Not saying the other farmers markets in surrounding areas aren't great, but Lakeline Mall really just goes above and beyond. There's tons of vendors out there. Definitely can find whatever the heck you want, whatever you're looking for. And then, like I said, if we go a little bit further up north into Cedar Park, you're going to see the H-E-B Center, which is, let's see, where are we? There we go. H-E-B Center. This is where they have all the concerts and where they have all of the, major sporting events, so on and so forth. As you can tell, it has a lot of great stars. It is a gorgeous facility, lots of fun. I've been there for multiple events, multiple different things throughout the years, but they do concerts there too. George Strait was the headliner, the opening act when the H-E-B Center opened back in 2009. So lots of fun. Also, if you notice, there's a Whole Foods here. So there's just a lot to offer that Cedar Park has. So, and then if you see just a little bit further northeast of the Cedar Park Center is the Crossover. This is the place that we took you guys to. It shows it has a Leander address, but also if you go to the Crossover website, it says Cedar Park. So it's just kind of one of those things that falls on the line of Cedar Park, Leander. A lot of people get confused between the two. But like I said, the Crossover is really cool, awesome place to go for some outdoor venues, lots of sporting options. If you're athletic, I highly recommend going there. And then, we got the golf courses. So if I were to show you, let me type it in here for Twin Creeks Country Club. This is a private course. So there we go. I just zoomed right in, but let's kind of pull out here a little bit so we can see where that is. Okay. So this is actually where the Twin Creeks golf course is. So like I said, it is still in Cedar Park. But then there's, like I said, there's public golf courses around here too, which are actually very nice. And one being Avery Ranch, which is right here. And the other being Crystal Falls, which is my favorite and a lot of people's like I said, it's an unforgiving golf course because you're out in the hill country. So if you slice or hook at all on your drive, you're probably going to lose your ball. So if it's not on the fairway, it's gone. But I love this golf course. I think it's gorgeous, and it's definitely worth, a few rounds of golf at least. So thank you, and holler at us if you're interested in moving to Cedar Park. Bye.
All right, guys, for our third property, we're going to be looking at a subdivision, very, very popular, called Redoaks subdivision, a master plan community that was developed in the mid 2005 to 2010. This property was actually built in 2006. It's a large home, almost 4,000 square feet, on the market currently for $850,000. But for that money, you're going to get 4 bedrooms, a master down, 4 full baths, large lot, game room upstairs, open living, great family room, great family home. And it's also close to the community pool. Again, you're going to have community pool, basketball courts, pavilions, great family neighborhood, very close to schools, and very convenient to 183. 183 is one of our main roads in Austin that could take you up to the Liberty Hill or Leander to the north, or back into Austin very quickly to the Arboretum or the Domain shopping. So again, if you're in the market in this price point around $800,000 to $900,000, give me a call and let's see how we can fix a mortgage for you to qualify for this property. Hey guys, welcome back. For our last property, we're going to highlight a property in Bella Vista, which was an area developed in the 2005 to 2015, somewhere in there. These are larger homes, quasi-custom, semi-custom you might call it. This property right here is 4,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, a master's down, 4 bedrooms up, 3.5 bath. It's on a large lot, about 1/3 of an acre. So in this area, you're going to get a big home on a large acre, great location. You're right off of 620 and Anderson Mill Road. Very close also to Twin Creeks Country Club around the corner. So if golf is your thing, you can be near a country club very, very quickly. This has got great schools. Again, we're in the Leander ISD, and this property here is listed for $1.2 million. I think I mentioned that. So if you're looking for a large home in a great location, again, off 620, very close to all the amenities of the large city, and you can get to Austin very quickly. You come down 620 to 2222, you're going to be in Austin in 25 minutes. So if this property is in your price point, you want to know more about that, let me know. We'll talk some more. Hey guys, thanks again for being with us today. We had a blast showing you around the Austin area. And remember, if you're looking to move into the Austin area, give me a call first, because I work with the top realtors in all sections of Austin, whether it be Liberty Hill or Dripping Springs or Lakeway or downtown. I can match you with the perfect agents for your needs. And also, to make sure that you can afford a mortgage in your budget, shoot me a text, send me an email, give me a call, or better yet, let's get on a Zoom call together so we can make sure you have a smooth move to Austin. And remember, happy trails.